In this world, suffering is an inescapable truth. Each of us will experience it in one form or another, be it illness, financial hardship, or solitude. But what does it mean to have faith even in the midst of suffering? The woman in the Bible with the issue of blood can teach us valuable lessons about faith. Picture this woman who has endured a debilitating illness for 12 long years. She suffered greatly under the care of numerous doctors, exhausting all her resources, only to find her condition worsening. An outcast from society, she had run out of money, friends, and hope. As we delve deeper into this woman's story, we can draw further inspiration and wisdom for our own lives. Her faith and determination in the face of suffering serve as a beacon of hope for all of us as we navigate through life's trials and tribulations. One key takeaway from her story is the importance of being proactive in our faith. Instead of passively waiting for a miracle, she took the initiative and sought out Jesus, believing that he could provide the healing she desperately needed. As believers, we too must actively engage with our faith and seek Jesus in all aspects of our lives. This means studying the scriptures, attending worship services, and engaging in prayer and meditation regularly. Another valuable lesson we can learn from this woman is perseverance. Despite facing numerous setbacks, she refused to give up on the possibility of healing. We may also encounter obstacles and setbacks in our lives, but we must remain steadfast in our faith, trusting that God will guide us through every storm. Moreover, the woman's story highlights the power of humility. When she approached Jesus, she did not demand his attention or expect a grand miracle. Instead, she humbly reached out to touch his garment, believing that even the slightest contact would bring about her healing. In our lives, we should approach God with the same humility and reverence, recognizing that he alone has the power to transform our circumstances. The woman's story serves as a reminder of the transformative power of faith. Once she was healed, her life changed drastically. No longer an outcast, she was restored to her community and, most importantly, to a relationship with God. Her unwavering faith in Jesus not only brought about physical healing, but also spiritual renewal. As believers, we are called to share our faith experiences and encourage one another in our walk with Christ. We can do this by participating in small groups, attending church events, and engaging in discussions about our spiritual journeys. By sharing our stories and testimonies, we create an environment where faith can grow and thrive. In our lives, we often try to control our situations and solve our problems independently. However, true healing and growth can only come when we surrender our lives to God, trusting that he will work everything out according to his divine plan. By relinquishing control and seeking God's guidance, we open ourselves up to the life-changing power of his grace. The woman's story teaches us about the unconditional love of God. Despite her perceived impurity and social status, Jesus did not hesitate to heal her, demonstrating that his love and grace are available to everyone, regardless of their past or circumstances. In conclusion, the story of the woman with the issue of blood offers profound lessons for all believers. Her unwavering faith, determination, humility, and perseverance serve as a powerful example for us to emulate in our own lives. As we face our own trials and hardships, let us remember to actively engage with our faith, remain steadfast in our trust in God, approach him with humility, and allow our faith to transform us from the inside out. In doing so, we will experience the healing, strength, and hope found only in Jesus Christ.